Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi 12. And for that you will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Just press these both buttons for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap on the preview, by the way, you're also able to draw something inside or to highlight something, or here at the corners, what's very nice, you can also crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or someone's WhatsApp status. Huh? Pretty nice. After you can share this edited part directly or with the checkbox, you can send it to your gallery. Yeah, there's a second way to take a screenshot. For that, just scroll down your Y next to the camera, then you're in the control center, and a part of the control center see the icon with a scissor in it. That's also a way to have a screenshot. But the best way to have a screenshot is to use 3 fingers. So if you have your phone like this, just scroll down 3 fingers and you're having a screenshot as well. Pretty nice, huh? Take 3 fingers, scroll them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Then apropos gallery, where are the screenshots? Of course here at the gallery, and here at the photos, they are mixed up with the camera pictures and videos. So this is why I recommend to you to go always to the albums, because here the screenshots have their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in it. Some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.